Now let's show how to create a workspace. In our example, a new part model needs to be created in an assembly component. We want to invite designers to enter in the workspace. Here on the Components tab, there is an option to create a collaborative workspace from an existing part, or in our case, we are going to create a new collaborative part. In the Assembly Component list, click the right mouse button and the option Owner Collab Workspace. Choose Create New as our part will be created from the scratch. If needed, some assembly components can be set as invisible. Visible components can be used as constructive reference. Now, let's define a folder, a name, and save the part. When creating a new workspace, always save it before starting the collaboration. As there is a limit in the number of active workspaces, you can check how many active workspaces exists. You can choose to delete all. When the system creates a workspace, is copied to the clipboard, a collaborator, or a viewer link code, optionally, you can also copy an invitation email. Let's create our owner workspace. Remember, in real time and simultaneously is allowed a maximum of 3 collaborators in a part. If a 4th collaborator wants to log in, one of collaborators needs to log out. Also, when the collaborative workspace is running, you can configure the owner and collaborator settings. Here you can again copy the link code to the clipboard. At the right side is shown a default invitation email. You can paste it to your personal email and personalize it. Also in these configurations, there are specific settings for automatic or manual downloads and uploads. The automatic download option works as follows. When a member uploads a new revision, it is automatically downloaded by the owner, if there is no active command or any operation being processed. If the auto-download is not active or was not possible to auto-download the revision, the download button is enabled to inform that there is a revision to be downloaded. In this case, the user needs manually to click on this button to download the data. In the next videos, we'll show some examples of how it works.